It was my mom that was my first inspiration. Yeah, I grew up watching the joy that music and movies and everything brought to her life, and she brought that to our life, and that's something that stayed with me. So tonight, I have a little story to tell with this show. Would you like to hear it?
In the boogie down borough of New York City.
No, Mr. Announcer guy, I'm sorry. Thank you for that amazing introduction. That was amazing. But I would like to start the story, and then you can take it over from there, okay?
My bad. It is the J-Lo show.
Yes, it is a show. Okay. So, back to the block. Saturday night. I said, do you want to go back to the block? All right. Let's take them back to the block. Ready, kids? Come on, band. Children growing, living, producing, and working, some stealing. What's that to make a living? And I was like, yeah. By the rocks that I got, I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. Everywhere I go, I know where I came from. Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Jenny from the block.